selective color to strengthen tones that subtly influence mood. Deepen the reds, soften the blues, heighten the yellows. Create a soft radial gradient across the canvas, allowing warmth to pool in select areas, as though emphasizing the emotional weight of each object. Use the brush tool at low opacity to add faint highlights, giving inanimate items the hint of personality. Shift into curves to refine contrast just enough to make small details feel deliberate. Blur the background softly to create a stage-like setting where the objects become performers. Export the piece imagining that the still life now contains a message, quiet yet eloquent.